I think that it will still evolve. I think that you're going to get different places that will grow in the niches. So I don't think people are going to try and build the biggest Facebook, but I think that smaller niches of society, social media platforms like Black Planet in the U.S. of African Americans who want to have a conversation with other African Americans about issues that are important to their community is very important. I think LinkedIn is evolving as a social media platform to have a business conversation as well as your Rolodex. Eventful for rural kids to get more involved in what's happening within a mile radius and geolocations, I think is still growing. So I think we're still evolving. I think we've evolved from traditional blogs to now more social networks, and I think the next evolution piece of it's going to be geolocation. I really think that combining your geolocation with your Facebook, Twitter now becoming more geolocation based, Foursquare being geolocation based. I think that's the evolution that we're going to see.